we could do a little wig story time about wearing your wig in public. Building up the confidence to wear your wig out can definitely be tough. So I wore my wig around the house, then I wore it out to run some errands. My next step was to wear it out to dinner with my husband. It just happened to be his birthday and we had invited friends, so I would have time to mentally prepare, but they said that they were going to be out of town and they couldn't make it. I was feeling great at dinner. I had gone to the bathroom and checked my hair a couple times, snapped a couple bathroom selfies, and then our friends text saying that they had gotten back early from being out of town and we should stop over for a drink. My very sweet husband was like, "Are you okay with that? Do you want to go?" So outwardly, I'm like, "Yeah, sure, no problem, let's go." But inside, I was like, "Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God." I went over and one of my friends said, "Oh my God, your hair looks amazing." I said, "Thank you," and that was the only mention of my hair all night. In my head, I thought everyone would be staring at my hair and be like, "Oh my God, she's wearing a wig." But I've learned that most people don't care about your hair. So don't stress and wear the hair.